screencast, I will be demonstrating to you how to do drop caps in the first paragraph of either pages or blog posts using SquareSpace 7.0. This is the previous version of SquareSpace, not the current version, and I hear that many people still like the original version. So click on Design, come down to Custom CSS, and you'll notice here the code. I use the # or hashtag drop cap with some descriptors, CSS descriptors that you can adjust if you want to change the color or change the size of the drop cap letter. So drop that into this custom CSS, which will allow you to do drop caps on blog posts and pages. And now I'm going to go to a sample page and show you how to use the hashtag drop cap. I know it's not actually called hashtag drop cap, it's called # drop cap. So let me get to the sample page. There it is. Come down to my drop cap sample page. All right. I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to select the text from the first paragraph, and you have to do the entire paragraph. I'm going to cut that paragraph, come out here to the droplet, and then come to code, because actually to use drop cap you have to use HTML. I'm going to paste in the text from the first paragraph and type in drop cap as the ID and the first letter. See that? Hit apply, and there it is. That's the drop cap in the first paragraph of the page for this blog post. Add a comment if you have any other questions where I could be of help. Thanks for watching.